Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your ride with something faster, smarter, and more eco-friendly, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best e-bikes, chosen for their performance, battery range, comfort, design, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started.
Starting at number 1, we've got the Heybike Mars 2.0. This folding fat tire powerhouse crushes city commutes, gravel blasts, or snowy paths with a 750-watt brushless motor peaking 1400 watts, launching to 28 miles per hour that eats 15% grades without chain strain, motor whine, or sweat drowns on punchy sprints. 624 watt-hour Samsung cell battery hauls 40 to 60 miles real-world through stop-go traffic, beach cruisers, or headwind hauls. Folds in 10 seconds compact for apartment closets, Prius trunks, subway stairs, or office coveys without bulk drama or door dings. Full suspension, coil fork up front, swing arm rear, devours manholes, roots, curbs, or washboard smooth, while 20 by 4-inch puncture-proof fats grip wet leaves, sand drifts, ice patches, or chunky single-track zero slip. Rear rack tanks 120 pounds of groceries, car seats, beach chairs, or hunting packs steady over bumps. LCD screen spits speed, PAS levels 0 to 5, odometer, wattage, crisp, and sun glare. App locks remote, tweaks throttle curves, tracks rides, or walk mode pushes 6 miles per hour hands-free through lots.
Next up, at number 2, is the Jasion X-Hunter. This off-road hunter guns 750 watts, peaking 1400 watts, to 30 miles per hour flats or 20% ups effortless. 48-volt 13-amp-hour removable Samsung pack claims 55 to 70 miles dawn to dusk spins without mid-ride plug hunts or range paranoia. Dual suspension, 80mm air fork tunes preload stiff for jumps or plush for chatter. Coil shock rear eats whoops, urban cracks, pothole bombs buttery. No wrist buzz, lower backache, or vision blur after hours grinding. Folds to 33 by 16 by 30 inches, apartment stair friendly. 71 pounds hefty, but rolls peppy with thumb throttle, instant getaway from lights or trail starts. 20 by 4 fats claw loose dirt, cobbles, or frozen ruts confident. Shimano 7-speed shifts crisp under max torque, no ghosts. Display tracks watts real-time. Voltage sag, USB-A juices phones mid-commute. Hydraulic discs haul from speed 0 fade, rain, or mud.
Now at number 3, we have the FREESKY dual battery bike. This range monster slays with dual 48V 41AH Samsung batteries, stacking 90 to 160 plus miles endless across multi-days, 3,000-watt peak Beifeng mid-drive torques 160 Nm, crushing 45-degree monsters, gravel slogs, or 30-mile-per-hour headwinds like butter flats. Hydraulic 4-piston discs haul from 40+ mile/hour zero-fade descents, wet or dusty. Full suspension plushins, rock gardens, fire roads, sand pits, spine-safe, no rattles. 26 by 4-inch CST fats traction bomb through mud wallows, dunes, roots, or climbs, unyielding grip. 6061 aluminum frame tanks 5-foot drops, light at 80 pounds, agile. Removable packs hot swap 2-minute field charges. Color LCD spits PAS 1 to 9, max speed, average hour, trip computer, navigation overlays detailed. Thumb throttle pure electric blasts or cadence pedal hybrid smart regen reclaims hills.
Moving on to number 4, let's talk about the Gotrax R1 Black. This commuter ninja slips 500-watt rear hub to 20 mile/hour city legal zip effortless. 48-volt 7.8 amp-hour LG pack recharges 5.5 hours wall plug for 15 to 40-mile PAS hauls dodging rush errands, campus crawls, or grocery laps. 20 by 2.6-inch Kenda tires, stable lanes, light paths, curbs, rattle-free, upright posture. Folds tiny 18 by 27 inches for lockers, buses, under desks, or coat closets invisible till needed. Backlit LCD tracks battery bars precise, speed, assist modes, odometer glance easy day or night. Thumb throttle snaps traffic gaps instant. 5 PAS eases legs flats or PAS 1 conserves juice headwinds. Sturdy 6061 steel frame weighs 45 pounds peppy solo or loaded.
Mechanical discs stop sure, wet, confident, modulated. Integrated lights, blind corners safe. Kickstand centers perfect, no heel clips. Full fenders, splash-free downpours.
Finally, at number 5, we've got the TST R004 Bike. This do-all fat warrior packs 750-watt geared hub peaking 1,500 watts to 28 miles per hour, conquering 35-degree grunts, fire roads effortless with 48-volt 15-amp-hour removable for 40-60-mile mixed throttle/PAS through traffic or trails. Front-rear coil suspension plush in snow drifts, sand pits, chunk, cobbles, smooth, no harsh jars. 20x4-inch puncture-proof Chaoyang tires, unstoppable terrain grip, wet-dry. UL 2849 battery cert chills lithium fire fears overnight docks. Hydraulic zoom brakes clock confident 25-mile-per-hour descents modulated. Micro shift 7-speed shifts butter peak watts, no clunks. Color LCD spits range estimates spot on. USB charges gadgets rolling. PAS 05 tunes assist feel. Weighs 68 pounds rollable hills. Steel rack hauls light loads steady. Cockpit tweaks stem height, saddle shock post absorbs vibes endless. Wide bars control loose, confident.
And that wraps up the top 5 best e-bikes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.